Hi guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. So Valentine's Day is around the corner and I thought to try two Pinterest inspired DIY gifts especially for my Valentine. But you can make it for anyone you love and that includes yourself. So first I'm going to try this one. Okay. It seems easy. Let's do it. For first one we have to make a box and for that you need two squares. I have taken 5 by 5 inches squares, but size doesn't matter, it's just how big or small you want. From sides you have to fold some margin so that you can contain the craft that you are going to make. Then cut it like this so that you can make box by joining these four intersections. And for inside you have to cut vertical strip like this, and it should be a little smaller than your box so that you can contain it. Once you cut it, you have to fold it like this. अब फ़ोटो चिपकाने की बारी है. सो मैंने जो प्रिंट आउट लिया है, आई हैव टेकन दैट ऑन अ स्टिकर पेपर, बट इफ़ यू डोंट हैव दैट यू कैन टेक प्रिंट आउट्स ऑन नॉर्मल पेपर एंड देन यू हैव टू स्टिक विथ स्टिकी और एनी glue. Okay, so here I have made one mistake, that when I fold these strips, photograph is not coming on the top. Ideally it should be. So in order to achieve that, I'm going to attach two more boxes, and here we go. Now to ease out the pulling from the box, I am attaching a pulley on the first box, and you can attach any thread or any other paper, but I had this sticky paper, so I'm going to attach this one. Now I'm fixing this in the box. So on top of the box, I'm not going to attach any heart or so. I had this picture left, so I'm going to attach my and my husband's picture on top of it, and we'll write some nice note. I really liked this one. See? I hope Neeraj will also like it. Another DIY that I'm going to try is this one. It seems very interesting, but I don't have dices, so I'll have to make the boxes first and then move on to this DIY. And I know how to make boxes. So let's start the DIY. So first you need to cut 3 by 3 inches square, 12 pieces in 4 colors. Now just follow the steps that I'm doing here. And then you will have to follow the same steps for all the squares that you have cut. For one cube you will need 6 intersections like this. Now just fix these 6 intersections like this. I had to make everything twice because first result was not as expected. To correct the error that I made in first attempt, I'm going to stick all these boxes with tape completely. Now be careful what I'm doing here because this is the main part of this DIY and it will change the game. Once you are done with joining these cubes together, now is the time to stick the pictures on it. And I made sure that I don't cut pictures where I have made the intersections. Last step is optional, but what I did after pasting pictures is that I covered all the boxes again with tapes so that it don't get loose edges. I loved this DIY and I hope you also like it, and I really hope that Neeraj will also like it because it is amazing. See? है ना कमाल का? So what I did with next one is that I completely covered the box with the tapes first, and pictures चिपकाने के बाद भी I covered it completely with the tape so that इस तरह का हाल ना हो जो ये हर साइड से निकल रहा है ना, बहुत ही बेकार लग रहा है. बट आई एम क्वाइट हैप्पी विद दिस वन. बट इसके लिए भी इसमें भी ये मिस्टेक हुई है कि ये देख रहे हो ये साइड से जो कलर्स नज़र आ रहे हैं ना बॉक्सेस के, दैट शुड नॉट बी विजिबल आइडियली. तो पिक्चर्स का जो आप प्रिंट आउट लो वो प्रॉपर मेजरमेंट से लेना चाहिए आपको, और या फिर मेजरमेंट से थोड़ा सा बड़ा, बिकॉज कट भी जाएगा तो इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. बट अगर छोटा रह जाएगा तो इट विल लुक लाइक दिस, पॉपिंग कलर्स फ्रॉम एवरी साइड. But it is not bad because it is handmade and love is all what matters, right? So on this Valentine's Day, make gifts yourself and don't go out and purchase, because first it is risky, second what your loved ones want is your time and the time that you spend on them. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it and stay tuned to my channel for amazing videos. Stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.